Hi, in this extra session, we are going to see how to use the switch for multiple condition. We have already seen the differences between case and switch from theory point of view, and for case we have seen the practical. Now we will see for switch how to use. Let me revise you the differences between case and switch is that case can handle the single condition at one go, but switch can handle multiple condition in one go. So coming to the workflow, let's quickly go and create the multiple condition. Here, go to this multiple condition, and if you remember for case, you can give the value over here like purchase order type. If purchase order type is you know here maybe AN, or purchase order type is UB, right? So single condition here you are able to define just a single purchase order type, correct? But in case of switch, what we can do that we can define the multiple condition. Come here and click on the switch, and here and define the outcome. So let's give and quickly give the name of this outcome. If purchase order type is this, purchase order type is NB or UB, and then this is just for single condition. This is just the outcome name. Here we can define the condition AN or DIR. So for purchase order type, we can quickly define AN over here, and click on this or, then equal and dir. So you can see that it got defined condition, right? Again, the second one, NB or UB. So if purchase order type equals to NB or UB. So purchase order type equals to NB or UB. Press enter and click on this OK button. So here two purchase order type using OR statement we are able to define. Here just it's the single one, so it will be faster one, and we can give the F4 over here. Click on this OK button, click on this OK, and the name of the steps we can give multiple condition using switch. So this is what the main difference between case and switch. You can define the multiple condition using or and like that. Saved and activated. Now let's go and quickly test it. Here give a purchase order. So I'm going to quickly take a purchase order for AN, DIR, NB, UB, FO. Okay. So AN, DIR, UB, NB, and FO. Just I want to get the data. So for NB, maybe I can use this particular purchase order. Come here and give the value over here. Run this, go here, and you will be able to see that. See, this branches is completed now, right? This branch is completed. If you want to define some email send step or something like that, that also you can define it over here quickly, right? So quickly let me define a send email step for send email for PO type. For PO, the PO we can, you know, for PO and PO type. So let's bind with the PO type, this one, and just transfer this one, give the name, send PO, send PO message. So click on this OK button, and Jet Workflow is our package, just storing the value over here. Save this one. Again, here also we can define the steps, send message, and click on this OK button. Click on this OK, save, OK, and again here also we can quickly define the mail step. So just OK, OK, save, OK, save, and activate. So we have defined all these three steps quickly over here, right? Let's go and execute, and we are going to take this purchase order whose type is NB. So execute this one, run this, go to this graphical workflow log, and you can see that NB, right? It has come through this, the green one, right? And if you go to the business workplace and check the email, you would have received the email also, right? So here send mail for PO this, for PO type NB. So you have received this email as well, correct? So you know, similarly, you can test for another PO type. Let me quickly show you some another PO type, maybe for DIR. So come here, let's get the test data for DIR quickly. So we have one single purchase order for DIR. Come here, give this value and execute this one. So here, if you go to the graphical log, you can see for DIR it's coming perfectly fine. Go to business workplace and select this here, document to here. You can see that for DIR also we received the message. So it's working as expected. Now one more thing about the switch, the important one, you have the option other. That means if none of this condition is going to satisfy, then you can define this other, just outcome for other value. Click on this OK, and you will be able to see one extra step other over here, right? So if none of the condition, you know, so here also let's quickly, create one mail step, and we will write that none none of the condition met, something like that. Okay, so sorry, I've given the form. I'm supposed to give the email. We will see about the form. Let's quickly define the email. It's the simple one. So for other condition, so if none of the condition is going to be met, none of the PO type, you know, is met in condition, then this particular. That means you know that else if, and at last we will be having else. So if none of the condition is going to meet, then last step, the else step, or in case of case, if you remember, you know, case when, and at last we are having the others, right? So if none of the condition meet, then others get executed. So it is like that. Okay, this others is similar to that. So click on this OK button and click on this activate button. Now I will give some dummy PO. Come here and just give some dummy PO. This PO is not maintained in our, you know, table. If you go and check it out quickly over here, this PO is not here, right? Zero. So this will not be having, of course, any purchase order type, and in that case, it will follow the other branch. Okay, just execute this one and go here. You will see that it will be going through the other, right? Because none of the given condition has met. So that's the meaning of this other. Okay, so this is how you will have to, do it, and hope you understood this concept.